Okay, so ebusian for mo bi akwa by the Bar Fresh Up channel as usual. Onya bedu channel we are now subscribe, we are now what turn on notification, we are now like video no. Na send a ya dropping new video be a bit me in your I think so share with other people so that one show me to my year insure. Number I'm fast that man simply tasty for say each and every day no almost so myself boy mama to me de jumedi ebro one day I don't and say opedua and papa na edidia simply tasty for almost say one some every day delight and so with the one we are now bra number recommended simply tasty for at the amount just for one hammer to face 0594110706 0594110706 na catch on send ya ope wedua no your specification on be ni sa pepepe e de ama me da se bebre ena me no ka asem bi ama to din abuse. Okay, abuse no you can abuse and how define abuse and you be catch simply yeah a simple definition of abuse from the Cambridge dictionary no say the use or to use something for the wrong purpose, to use something for the wrong purpose or in a way that is harmful or morally wrong. Say adibi ayena ebi akasa de we yemfa to benkum na wadan dia to nifa na che say one use ade no kwan paso ayeka say de yen use no na omo che abuse you mu be brave but and me pese ya pick be three of them now you count some but see kasa for the emotional abuse, psychological abuse and then sexual abuse. Some it happens most often in our relationship, either it being marriage or being normal relationship or in family setup or some of these things. Some the physical, the psychological, the emotional or the sexual abuse, no, and then kind of verbal abuse. It happens most often in day relationship. By now, me person may they call more of a relationship. See me before me know better so kasano see me pa. Not every relationship will end up in marriage. The fact, say when you be dating for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 8 years, 10 years, 20 years, it does not guarantee that you will end up in marriage with that person. Fasasa mo to adwem enu ntine men no ntanche na mene na bre na mabre won ho nti obu kra mabre won ho odi watem se otumi di watem an we lose self esteem we say mabre won ho otumi mjojo e ma ho say no, this is gone beyond the limits. Yes still ena mene na bre ena misha no ni hwe ena misha no na wanye bibeje nto otete me enu nti wo betan we wu ana tie me enu nti wo betan we wu ana. Don't forget this. Your family needs you. There are a lot of people that depends on you to survive. So today, if you are not there, you have sentenced them to life imprisonment with suffering. Yes, they depend on you to survive. So with you around, they are assured of their livelihood every day. And so when you uja woman say very maybe na or the way you're punching bag no baby to make very mad that person when you depression na not taking a bit to show and say we met it now it's all. Enya hwe make e bia won na ware nti nkola ni nti fresh nti asio nkola ni nti me ja nkola ma me mpacho mbese bisa asemu nkola ni nti na wo kan ene se wuwu a den na be sa nkola no o ya asem bisa se obunfuye nkola ni nti na so tro pam nkola ni nti ni ye twa wadapa nkola ni nti na ye repu nkola ni nti na ye jojo na wote nkola ni nti nkola ni nti na be ma na fa wachi akoware oba afoforo nkola ni nti ayembia se no wu and den na be sa nkola no. Don't stay in an abusive relationship till you die. Oh no, don't stay there. If you feel your life is threatened, please reconsider your decisions. If you feel like what is going on is putting your life under stress, undue pressure, reconsider your decisions. Abuse is wrong. No matter the form or how it is packaged, abuse is wrong. I know most of the pastors will tell us divorce is wrong. Don't divorce. When you marry is for better, for worse. And then you punch our jaya. I be yanko ponso opemedana. Uchi our jaya Martin was say. But yanko pon ofwa meda so ana. enti oba ne te wona wo hwe niama na ekoso na obewu na wo tu nfo se Awurade chawarja na yembia osofo me pa che wo oboni de kwan sa yembia osu neti kwa ko wo mu ana mo amunim se nia bere me obaidi ye ni mo anhwe na mo anpepo masibrea e de owu beba enso Awurade chawarja ye wo de mia wani sa ebeye be sofo bese ebeye so na ye proud na ye miao tie me pa you need to rise up. Abuse is wrong. Don't accommodate it, don't entertain it. See, it is better to work with a divorce tag than to have a fridge number or to have a morgue number. It is better. It is better to live with a divorce tag than to end up dead. Your life is precious. Your life is so important. You are so special. Don't let anybody waste your life for you. In the name of relationship, in the name of I've taken care of her, in the name of I've taken care of him, so everything you feel like doing, you do for the person. Like seriously, well, it's you are abusing yourself. But yes, because you feel like is your life equal to food? Please, I beg you, I plead with you today. If you feel your life is threatened in that relationship or in that marriage, it is time to reconsider your decisions. Don't let anybody force you to be there till you die. Don't let anybody pressure you to be there because of the kid, because you suffered with him, because when you met him he's nobody, when you met her she was nobody, and you helped her, today she is somebody and she want to leave you. It is better for her to leave you, for you to leave, than for her to stay with you, for you to end up dead. It is better for him to leave you, for him to walk out of your life, for you to leave, than to try to hold on to him till you die. The option is yours. Choose right. You have the choice. You have the right to choose what you want. But if you ask for my humble opinion, I will advise you. Don't stay there till you die. Abuse is wrong. Don't entertain it. Don't welcome it. Don't say, I will try and I will see how it will turn up. It might turn up with you dead. And you, Mr. Man, you married to somebody's daughter and you feel like you have the right to do whatever you want. No, you don't. You have no right. If you love that person, treat that person with respect. Show that person love. Be there for that person. Share your intimacy with the person. Share your ideas, your emotions with the person. Let them know your strength and your weakness. Build together. You understand? Build together. Madam woman, that you've gotten somebody's handsome son to be with as a husband, and every day, every night, all you do is to insult and verbally abuse that man, denying him his right as a man. Listen, there is a limit to everything. If you think you cannot be there, choose rightly. But my advice to you, don't maltreat somebody's child till they die in the name of marriage or relationship. Let's do the right thing. Let's find ways and means we can stop abuses and relationships. In marriages, let's find ways and means to solve situations, to solve problems amicably. Beating somebody is not the right thing. Disgracing your husband in public, it's part of the abuse. Let's do the right thing, and God will help us. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to talk to me, my number is 0266550849. 0266550849. Thank you so much. Kindly share with other people so that we can all be blessed. I am grateful you watch this video. Thank you. God bless you.